One form of ecological engineering, or EcoN, in rice production is habitat manipulation. It involved planting of host plants, preferably plant species with nectar-rich flowers that can attract a wide variety of friendly insects that are also natural enemies or parasitoids and predators of rice pests, especially the rice plant hopper. These host plants are cultured by propagating their seeds into seedlings that are then planted along the bands of the rice fields to serve as a source of nectar and shelter for parasitoids and predators. Common species of flowering host plants planted along the bands belong to the family Compositae, Asteraceae and Verbinaceae. However, other horticultural crops with good rattoning recovery, like okra and sesame, had also been planted. Even other common endemic flowering weed species had been cultured and planted along the bands to serve as host plants. Maintaining the cleanliness of the bands need not be intensive for farmers, since most of the host plants are mostly non-perennial species that will die once they mature after bearing flowers. Their seeds can be collected and grown as seedlings for the next cropping season, or directly sown along the bands. Other host plant species can be trimmed short for rattoning. Host plants are planted ahead of time before the rice seedlings to have them established first for the natural enemies to reside. The concept is to increase the population of parasitoids and predators to counter the outbreak of insects like plant hoppers in the rice field. With this approach, the host plants and natural enemies provide the ecological services to reduce vulnerability of rice to pest attacks. Through ecological engineering, ecosystem services will be enhanced through increased habitat biodiversity, providing shelter, food resources, and corridors for natural enemies. Thus, the need to spray insecticides in the rice field is greatly reduced. With reduction in the use of pesticides in the field, the natural ecology of the system is recovered and restored. This is working well with a natural system to fight or manage the insect pests. This is also a step toward sustainable pest management in rice production.